Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. I'm Frank, and today we'll be working on the Dungeon app. Let's go. Switch already being voila. A little bit of artifact just here. Here, oh, good. Nah, it's good. Or maybe I should change it. Can I? No, I can't. It's too far. It's too far. I'm sitting today. I didn't want to be standing. So today we'll be working on the Dungeon app. We've been looking at it for a little while. It's an app. It's a dungeon crawler. It's a paper dice game, and I wanted to have some kind of companion app, and I want to continue today. So today we'll be working on different component that we want part of our combat screen. So in combat, you will have your information about your character, some information about the creature you're fighting with, and some status, some information about where is the combat. So like as you're progressing in the fight, things change. So we want all that information. So right now, like in fact, right now here, we can see that we have, whoa, that's a big, we have Tad Beaumont here. And that's our card right now for showing the information about ourself, our character. Adventurer, that's the word I was looking. I was like, yeah, that's I feel it. Am I too white? So Tad here is our adventurer, and this is how we present it right now. It's not very detailed, just like XP level. So we want a little bit more of that PDF. I think I go here. Oh, maybe at the end. So like to dungeon, like, oh yeah, let's do that. So just to make sure I'm not pretending I invented this. So this is the game we are kind of creating the companion for. I just received your voice. Excellent. I'll include that later in my sound effect. Awesome, sorry. So this is the game we are creating the companion from or for, and it was done by Toby. Toby now is working on not an expansion, but kind of like in the same idea. One called 2D6 Realm. Pretty cool. And some information we wanted something like this. So we want that's not what I was looking for. Oh no, like I'm not in the good book. PDF. Open the codex. Yeah, that's the one I want. Whoops. Come on. Too many windows open. That's the one I want. So I'm looking for something a little bit more like this, where we have the name, the HP, like the shift, like maybe not but like treasure could be in like when you look at your character, but for the fight, I think like definitely the maneuver we need that, and the those at the bottom. So like for the creature, we definitely need all of that, I think. Like, why not the description? We could. So definitely I want to create this visuals for the create. I think maybe we start with that today. That's what we built today. Like it's this thing. What's happening? TBD Gamer with 15 viewers. Welcome into the cloud. Welcome TBD and friends. Bonjour. You could do exclamation point bonjour like this if you want.
Bonjour. Hi.
And you have a sound effect. And soon we'll be able to do it with Surly Dev voice. It bugs me, the artifact. I should do that more. Before I say what I was doing, what were you doing? So shout out. What was you doing? What was your stream about? Don't say again like, yeah, like, what was it the last time you said? It was something like DevOps stuff. I think you say something like that. It didn't tell me
Bonjour.
anything.
Hi.
Bonjour. Hi. Hello. Blob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, it's just 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oui, ça va, ça va. It's going well. It's going well. Today, we start with building that. So that's a book. That's from like this is a PDF, um, and it's a card from the game 2D6 Dungeon, and I want to create this for the fight screen. So the combat screen, we call that the combat. So for the combat, I want to see ours. So we'll have to do something similar for us. But I thought it could be cool to work this one since we have a simple and as we're working on it, kind of like learn. And I will fix those artifacts here because they bug me a lot. So I don't have enough cable. I need to remove my headset. Give me just a few seconds. Is it better? Is that better? Yeah, it's better, right? Whoop. No. No. It's a little bit better. Yeah, I saw that, Sorry Dev. I will definitely add it to the stream deck effect. Thank you, by the way. I'm like I didn't listen to it, so maybe I shouldn't say thank you. But I will add them, that's for sure. Uh it's my name. Please respect every digit. Well, Blob123, yes. Don't say just DevOps. Okay. So I was working on building out the UI, trying to figure out how to display details property. CSS is my enemy. That's why I switched to Blazor. Are you on Blazor? Like, why it's still... Oh, it's here that I'm... Oh, because I'm not standing. That's why I need a light here. Okay, can I fix it like this maybe? It's a little bit better. Is it me? Or no, it's behind me, right? It's here. Anyway. Are you using Blazor? Because you could be using, like me, Blazor Fluent UI Blazor. That really simplified the UI stuff, TBD. Angular. Oh, how about that in Fluent UI. You don't need with Prime NG. I don't know what's Prime NG for components. Tailwind for the layout. Well, you have all figured it out already. So now you just need to enjoy the fun. Okay, so let's get started. So this is what we want to create. So we'll keep it open. Why these? There it is. So that's what we want to create. So name, HP, blah, 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 blah. Cool. Let's go to the code. Voila. So last stream, we did create the combat page. Oh, Frank, in your corner. Voila. Grovelurus is landing. Awesome. Let's try it myself. Maybe with an icon. So maybe we'll bring me luck. I don't think so. The other day I went on InstaFluff stream and he was looking for some activity to do like in between. He's learning right now. What's the dev tool? Unity? I think it's Unity, the dev tool for like 3D stuff. And he was looking for like, hey, what we can do quickly in between, and was like, hey, please add some cheat in the parachute game so Fragbird could land. But like the other people on the like InstaFluff really liked the idea, but the other people like didn't kind of like +1 those. So oh, that's awesome, Blub. You're just land 69 already. That's cool. That's cool. That's a good score. Yeah, indeed, right? Well, maybe I can ask InstaFluff to do something. Okay. So we want to create a creature card. And I think to get started, we could definitely, let's go in the other corner, Frank. And we need this. We'll keep it for now. Let's remove it. Okay. So adventurer. Adventurer card. What? And the shared, where did I put that? Oh, apparently I put it there. Okay. Adventurer card. So maybe we don't want that. Do we want that? Yeah, we want that. So I think we could copy this because first the object are not the same, though we could have an interface because they are similar. But I feel the adventurer card will be different as you may edit stuff and things like that. So I will keep them separate for now, and eventually, if we think it makes sense, maybe we can merge them. So I'm totally doing a copy paste right now. Don't judge. Okay. Copy paste. Does it work? No. What? Oh, because I'm in Solution Explorer. That's a bummer. How can you add? Oh, like there it is. Add a file. That's strange. It was not present. Oh, it's there. I thought I didn't see that recently. Anyway, okay. Now we know it's a component. So we want a creature card. No typo, no typo. Oh, that razor, did it create? Yeah, it did. Cool. So let's take this. And I think also I will create a client for this. Oh no, not for this, but there's a lot of like the call to the API and stuff happening. or the. I was wondering. I think I will create a client. But anyway, so here 2DB6. Okay, so player. It won't be player. So we can change every word player by creature. Creature. No, game doesn't have creature. Beep, 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 beep. And my dog continued to cry. Okay, so apparently this is not creature is not we didn't create a creator? I thought we did. Oh, we didn't? What? Combat screen. We didn't create a creature? We just... Okay, so if I do this... Right, let's bring this. If I do change directory for 2D6 here, and I do .NET. No. Yeah. Oh my god. It's been a while since we work here, apparently. I forgot my stuff. Yeah. So here in VS Code, no, yeah, here. Let's run this. Compose up. Then we'll have our database up in our API. Right, so now if I go here, I could do localhost. No. Is Docker running? Maybe Docker is not running. I rebooted my laptop this morning. I think I don't let Docker start by okay, now Docker is starting. Yeah, okay, it was not started. I don't let Docker start all the time by default on this machine because since it's a laptop, you know, if I'm not coding and if I'm just watching YouTube or like whatever, like it takes battery, right? So to save my battery of this little laptop, I don't make it start all the time. What? Okay, Docker is here. So if I go into okay. Terminal process, Docker, maybe I need to start. Let's delete, delete, delete. If I do this again, new, maybe, now we'll know. Docker compose up. Execute task, Docker compose. No service selected. What? Oh, no, env is there. Yeah. Okay, let's kill this. So now if I do this, no service selected. That's because this is wrong. I don't understand. What's wrong with you? Docker compose. Docker PS. Okay. Choose action. Oh, did I forgot? No. Docker compose up was here. What is happening? Like, is it? What if I do this? No, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's start again. VS Code. No service selected. I don't understand. I do that all the time. Okay, Docker Compose it, select services. Do that. Say, oh. Oh, I picked the wrong one. On this one. Okay, so now up services on both services. No service. I don't understand. Why do you say there is no services? There is. There's that one. There's that one. I mean, even that, let's make it bigger. How do I make it bigger? I think if I do 2d6, it should start. No service selected. What? I'm doing wrong. Is it blank space, white, like empty line shouldn't change anything? Why do I have always like a stupid issue every time? We worked on that last time. It was working perfectly. Env is there. Is it the profile? Do I need to specify the profile maybe? So if I do this, I need to specify the profile. So is it, where is profile? Is it profile and then all? Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's, yeah, we added profile, so I think that's the problem. Whew. So that's the thing. So we added profile. So now we need to specify all the time profile. Is there before we then, like, yeah, I don't want to repeat that panic. I was kind of panicking here a little bit. Yeah, now we have it. So let's go Docker profile default. I would like to how to make a profile the default. Yeah. Oh, empty? Empty is the default. Cool. Then so we need to add this. So by default, you start everything. Everything. I sound like the guy who's talking about the how men's and women's brain works. Like the box. You know what I'm talking about? And then we go down. Great. So now, if I just do this, it worked. Okay, cool. And now we know. I need that sound too. Okay, choose an action. Was blob 123? Was it about like the Docker compose issue ahead? The chose action, or was it about something else? Okay, so now we have this. I don't need that anymore. It's running, and I did that because I wanted. Obviously, we need. What? Don't need this. Don't need that. I didn't like. So because I think here by default, so creature, we have creature, and I think it provides, it's just schema. It's not. I thought it was classes. We have this. Yay! Could probably create a class with that. Right? Scope profile. It was about that? Not really, just saw your compose naming and thought you didn't use scope. The profile. I'm the same. When I write my thoughts and what's happening, it's not always the same. It's not matching all the time. Okay. So we need to create a class. I thought we did, but apparently we didn't. So we need that. So in the domain, let's have, see, I don't see it now. Maybe I need to expand a little bit. Oh, it's at the top. Yeah, want it here. So we want to create a creature.cs class. That wasn't pretty. And namespace, boom. So fancy. Okay, let's do prop. Public. That will be int. Be public string. So we'll have a lot of public string. Boom. Oops. Come on. Boom. Ah, man. That's so annoying. There it is. And this will be the get set. No, probably ID should be just get, but be good enough. Boom, boom, boom. It's ugly, but we'll do a format just after. Here it should be a capital E, and it should be public class. Voila. Whoop. We forgot one here. Look like it. Voila. Get set. Now if we do format this document. Yay! And now it's all lower cases, but I think that's how all the others, nope. Because I think, can I? Yeah. Okay. So creature, we have it. I think we'll keep it the low. Because in the database it's like that. I forgot how I fix that. We'll have to okay, so now we have this. So we have a class now. So in our don't need index in the creature card. So now creature should be there. No. No. Why not? Can I just okay, let's close. Oh, yes, this. We could put this. Whoops. So we don't have any builder. Let's put this here like that. So creature, you're still not visible. Oh, in game there's just adventurer. Yeah, maybe we should say adversary. But it's the creature. And I didn't want to put monster. I could put like lower at least. And here. Your var was declared 2 words. Not there. Creature type. Oh, was it? No. Like it's there's underscores. It's just the squiggly make it. And it's complaining because of the null. No, don't worry. Like I like I don't necessarily like this. I would like to have it and then I have a capital P, but I'm using my SQL for now and like whatever. So the domain is just this. So there it is. Oh, creature name. Oh, yeah, like if it doesn't found. So why don't you see creature? Oh, creature is there. Oh, maybe because now it's like capital. Yeah. Okay. Whoop. Here, it's the lower C. Okay, now you're the instance. So it will be lower N the voila. Okay. But here, okay, let's do a save. Let's so this. Let's do here XP. It's health point. No, it's does the monster see I keep calling it monster, but I want to use the same its experience. I want to use the same words that the that Toby used. Level. I think yeah, I have level. Oh yeah, but like it's all capital creature name. Creature name. Creature. And then I will have a suggestion. Yeah, put level like that. Voila. There it is. Okay, cool. So now we have this, and let's do a reload. Maybe it's just the Rosalind being stuck or something like that. Okay, so now if I so that looks good. So now we need to specify which one, right? In combat, we'll have to have a creature and bind it. Oh, game is our no combat. So I think combat. Yeah, combat is a component, and I think we'll have it from this page. I think we'll have a tab, or it will be like combat. No, was it? Oh, it's in play. Yeah, and the play page. Yeah, I have different tab, and I think one of the tab will be combat, and then we'll be able to uh, bind the creature and the adventurer. So let's do that. So stuff, adventurer, let's add, whoops, nope. Let's do another tab here. And it will be tab combat. Right? Label combat screen. I don't know. Oh yeah, cool. I forgot what we found for the combat. And here will be combat. Combats? No. Yeah. Oh, we put plural. Why did we put plural? It should be singular, right? I don't think we want to combat. Combat screen. Cool. And definitely we'll have some parameter and stuff. Yeah, so combat. There it is. And now we'll have to put the player in a monster. Oh, maybe the monster. So player, definitely. But monster, like we don't know, so we'll have to pick. So we need a selector. So in the creature card, we'll have to have some kind of like search to see. Oh yeah, so I need that. So it'll be like, show me the list and then show me the card. So maybe we need, instead of like creature card, we need creature view, creature picker. I think that's what I did right here. No, here it's the thing. And when you pick, I click one. Maybe it's creature view. Or maybe I have in the creature card, I have, if creature is not selected, I will show like a creature picker. And once it's selected, or do we want both? Should I have two component? And here it'll be like creature view. I don't think we want to see more than one creature, but we'll definitely have to search. Maybe we keep it in creature card, so like it's more like you're flipping the deck of cards, just like, oh, that's the one I need, kind of thing. So like there's no operation. So yeah, maybe in the card we'll have like a if then. So definitely then we need a search there. We need something different. Oh, yeah. Okay. So now we have that, but combat doesn't have the parameter, right? No. So in adventurer card, we have parameters. So here in combat, we can put this. And that's what I want. Is it what I want? No. I don't want this one. Voila. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I have my parameter. When it change, I could triggers this, and on the other side, I will be able to save it and stuff. Cool. So now we have the adventurer. We'll have the creature card. We don't know yet what it is. So there's no binding. Maybe I could bind it. No, I don't think I want. I don't want to put too much logic in it. Like I don't want. I'm not building a game. It's a companion, right? So in creature card, we'll definitely need like, hey, if this is null. Yeah. No. What? Yeah. So we don't want this. I don't think we want it as a parameter, but it can be null. So now what we need to do is have a if, kind of like if creature is null. Pick one, kind of. And otherwise, else. Else, show me this. Oops. Does that make sense? I think this can go like this. Oh, it needs to be like that. Yeah. It's the same logic I'm using elsewhere, right? What is 2d6? It's an excellent question, my friend. Zero found? Zyro found? Sorry, fully reading your name in French. So 2d6, it's a game. It's a dungeon crawler game. It's this game. It's a series of books and cards. It's a dice and paper game that you play. And let's say you roll. So like you have like you're building your map, kind of like passing through all the dungeons. So you roll 2 dice, and let's say for example 2 and 3. So that means the next room you're rolling in is 2 by 3. and then like you roll again to numbers of doors and stuff like that, and then you roll. Let's say you roll again, and it's 2 and 3 again, but this time you read it as 26. So you go in the books and you look for the definition of the room 26. Say, oh, this is a prison, and there's a jailer there, and like you can see blah 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 blah, and then you need to fight. So like today we're working on that fight screen, but we're very at early stage of that fight screen, and we know we need the information about the creature, like, or the monster we want to fight. But in the book it's called creature, so that's why I'm using creature. I'm trying to use the same words as here, so that's why like I'm using maneuver the other way. The other day someone was like, hey, like, maneuver, is it French? I was like, it is. I'm definitely saying it in French because like it's a French word, I feel. But I use this because it's used in the book. So that's what we worked. And I asked the permission, by the way, to Toby, who's the creator of that game. It was a Kickstarter game that I bought. And now he was live streaming yesterday, giving prices because people are sharing pictures and stuff. I'm just building that for fun, kind of like experimenting different. I like to code to learn and, you know, do stuff, and I like the game. And eventually, what I want to do is put it on mobile so we could play on our phone or a tablet. I'm thinking more tablet here since like it's more like an experience. So you could play on a little bit more on the couch. And part of the information will be on your tablet, kind of helping you instead of flipping through a lot of pages. Will be still flipping in a few pages. You could still use the dice, but you could use the dice in the app, like some kind of that. It will be companion. Like I'm not making a digital version of the game. I think even like just companion is a lot of work, and I should be working a little bit more on it because right now it's just like it doesn't progress as fast as I would like. But yeah. Okay, so combat. We know we need to. We know we have a player. That's cool. Creature card. Oh, yeah, okay. I was looking for an example of that. I think adventurer picker. Yeah. So if equal null, this, and then we put the grid. So definitely we need a grid. Cool. That's cool. I'm like mobile there. Oh yeah. That's awesome. I never did any mobile game. Since I'm a .NET developer, I think I would try to do it in .NET MAUI. Thinking right now, I'm thinking Blazor hybrid. That means it's I will be able to port this thing inside a MAUI environment, and then we'll probably have to work about a database to be offline and then sync and stuff like that. So we'll have a lot of fun. I need to ask. I'm not dropping a banana. I need to talk to James Montemagno. We did a lot well, last time we chit chat about this project that I was doing. I was like, he told me, yeah, definitely go this way. But yeah, anyway, like, but we're not there yet. Like, I'm using this because I'm a little bit more I'm a backend guy. So like UI is definitely not my stuff, but I like could be cool. And I have another project where I also need to create like a mobile app. So, and right now I'm doing it mobile, I'm doing it web also because web will be okay, but I want the app to work offline. So I need to, so definitely going this way. So we'll see. Yeah. So in the creature card, so now if we don't have a creature, we need to pick one. And to pick one, I think we'll have another kind of. That's why I didn't like that. I feel like it. Maybe I need a picker. I don't like that. So here we'll have like it will be a creature list. Creatures. And it will be enumerable, queryable, enumerable. Of type creature. Something like that. The thing is, I think the picker. Nah, I think we need a picker. I think we need a creature picker, and that will be in the combat screen. Yeah, I think that will be in the combat screen. Did I close the? So not in play. So play, I think I can close it. But in the combat here, I think this here, kind of like the combat, say, hey, do you have a player? Do you have a creature? If not, then show like player we know. Like, you know, if you get there, like you have one. So I think we do a check. Do you have a creature? If not, pick one, and then we'll show this, and the card will be just like a card. I think that will make more sense. Yes, that make more sense. So we'll do this. In fact, here there's no more of that. So a card is a card, and it should be a card. And we'll be able to pass it then as a parameter. Yes, yes. I prefer it. I think now it's starting to make sense. And here we'll have a list of creature, and we'll have a creature, or maybe it's a selected creature, and we'll be able to pass it to our card here. Yeah, yeah. So creature, we can close that one. And adventure card. So here we'll have this, but there won't be any changes to that. So in the creature card, that's definitely going back to be a parameter. And it cannot be null now. So we can remove this. Oh, can it? No, like, yeah, it may change, but yeah, we don't care about it. Okay, cool. So now we have that. So that's cool. So we have our creature card, or very basic version of creature card, right? Okay, so now in combat, here, it's here that we'll have like, you have a creature. If not, then like show the creature picker. And that will be the thing. So I think it's an adventurer. In the adventure, I think, say advent in it, or adventure picker. And in adventure in it, is it here? I say it's here. So I say, hey, if I have a selected adventure, then show it. Otherwise, do that. So here we'll definitely have an if. We're in combat, yes. If, and let's do creature. If creature equal null, then we'll do something. And else we'll have this. And then we can have our binding. And it will be the creature. It's getting nice. Cool. So now we have this. So here we want a creature picker. Creature picker. Boop, boop, boop. What's happening? Okay, so now we have this. So yeah. Do I want a full logic here? I think I don't. Yeah, so let's kind of, so here the adventurer picker, it's creature picker, and it's the creature that we will pass. And we'll need to change this. Oh, here also it's not this, it should be creature. Cool. So now in the parent player, it will be parent creature. So if we go in the, so let's go here. I will go instead of being in the, oh, okay, I have in the good folder. So I want to go not in the client for now. We'll have to create those queries pretty soon, but I want to be in the client. Where is the client? Service client, there it is. And it was in the share, it was adventurer picker. That's what we want. Oh my god. Cool. So we'll totally make a copy of this, copy and paste. Now we want to rename this, rename for creature. And remove the word copy. Voila. So now we have our creature picker. So this is creature. I think I will be doing that a lot. So it will be creature queryable. We cannot create a new one. I don't think we'll need this. So here it's creatures. We'll have to change the type too. Here will be creature queryable. Parent, that's our parameter. Capital C. Parent creature, capital C, and boom. Adventurer, queryable. Nope. I feel like the music today is not the best one. It's a bit too, I don't know. It's not lo-fi. I feel like it's something else. Did I pick the good? That's cool. Maybe I need to pick another playlist. Whoa. Mouse is just going crazy. Ambient? Nah, not ambient. High five? House. Oh, that could be cool. Let's go for house. That changed the vibe. Let's run this a little bit. I'm using, so the playlist of today is by Stream Beats. Really cool, free to use playlist. Oops. Hide the chat. Voila. Oops. Did a frag bird? Because nobody dropped? Nobody landed, I mean? I'll try my best, but it doesn't look good. Okay. So create new, we don't need this. Here it's parent creature. What? Come on. Voila. And here it will be this, and here it will be that. And it will be creature ID. Voila. Select player, it will be select creature. Right. So here we'll have a voila. And it's not XP, it will be experience, but we'll need to do that later. So okay, so that one, then this is creature, right? Okay, so now we say get a creature. We'll have to write that. Get creatures, and that doesn't exist. I know. Let's do it. Right? So kind of building quickly. So now we need to go on the server side to create that function. That function will call our API. Where is it? Here. Where is it? Weapon, magic scroll. It's an alphabetic creature. Here it is. So if we do this here, get, try it out, execute, well, and then we'll receive that, right? So now we need to create the function that call that, return the list, and then we'll display the list. We'll be able to pick one, and yeah. And yeah. So now we need to go. So get creature. We'll go here if I do Control Shift 12. Nope, that was it. Oh, whatever. You know what? Let's right click. Okay, pages and services. In the service, we have here. So adventure, adventurer, room, weapon, armor pieces, magic scroll. So I think we need to add here our creature functions or method. So // create creature. Voila. And then that sounds about. But yeah, we'll have. Oh yeah, it's true. We'll have to have like a creature list. Or, well, like that's how I did it everywhere. I'm always creating this. But will we? I think. Yeah, I think for this one, I think instead I could return the records or something like that. Or like the right away what I need. Like this. I think. Because I don't need much. Right? So I think I could do this instead. But the problem is yeah, I think I did it because it's like it's convenient when I deserialize. Yeah, when I deserialize is just convenient. I don't like that. I feel like it's something I'm doing wrong. It's always the same thing. Like it's always just a list called value. By doing so, I could deserialize super easy. Is there like a better way to do it? Okay, let's do a creature list. Creature. But this time, I won't return it. Right? It will just get used for the deserialization. So when I do really go here, adventure, venture option, there it is. So now I need to do like this. But it will be creature options. Hey, Code with Sean. That's been a while. How are you? It's been a while. Yeah, so now what we want to do is this. Sorry for the sound effect. Right? And I forgot to put it async here. It's task. What did I do wrong? Oh, I'm missing the there it is. I was like, what's wrong? I don't see it. Oh, like I'm hiding. Oh, I need to find a way where I'm not hiding stuff. So now we have our get creature. Lovely. So here, so now creatures, where is it? It's we can put it right away here. I don't think we need that one. Right? I think we don't need this and we don't need that. Oh, I was like, what? Here it's creature. And here we'll do this. Okay, let's do nothing for now here. So here it's experience, right? Experience. Level, I think level, it will be always that. An image would have been nice. What else can we show that will be interesting? Like when we search for, I think it's just the name. The level will be cool. Experience, not really. Maybe HP, just like so you're kind of like, oh no. Yeah, instead of level, maybe it's health point. And I don't think like it should be sortable like that. Okay, I think we have enough for now. Should we so here we have one. Context. I think so. The context is the full. Yeah, so I think what I need to do is this. Like in here, I will be changing this. And instead of receiving a creature ID, I could receive here creature. Right? That could be the selected creature. So now we could remove this. And parent will just be equal this. And that's it. What? Parent creature change. Parent creature. It's an adventure? What? Oh. No, it's a creature. What are you talking about? Voila. Yeah. That's cool. So we have a list. We pick one. That should bring us back here. Creature won't be null, so we'll see the card. Ah, that looks promising. And there's the stuff we found. Like, so there was an image. We spin. Oh, I forgot what it was. Was it navigator? I think it's a navigator. Combat. The icon was the shield. Oh, that makes sense. So now if we go in play, here to combat, the icon should be shield. Great. I'm excited. Should we try it? I'm scared also. Let's F5 this. See if it works. That would be cool. Works on the first try. Never happens. Never. Let's do a drop. Well, that's our game, by the way. So we have here the combat. So let's create a new adventure. And let's go create. Let's select Frank for now. Create a dungeon. Cool, perfect. Let's start. Wonderful. So we have this. Now we have our combat screen. Woo-hoo. Combat screen. Yay! Who landed? Fred and a cat. The real surly bot. Grovosaurus. So many people land, but not me. Undefined process. Everybody's landing. What? That's not fair. Oh, and I already... Okay, so now let's go. Will it work? Combat screen. Oh, we should have something that say, hey, pick your monster. But it works. So we have a list here of stuff so we could sort. Right? Level. What? Oh, maybe we did so it should be. So why 6, 4, 3? I think. Oh, I think. Yeah, I think it's. We'll need to fix that. It should be all one the level. So like probably sure in the. So let's say I'm picking artisan. Oh, like the tug. No, let's let guard. Which one would I pick first? Select guard. Ah, so close. Creature change. Creature card doesn't have a property matching creature change. That was close though. Like it. So let's fix that. Okay, I should have put the Okay, that was good. Like that was good. Okay, so first thing in the creature picker. Whoop. So here we had also level makes sense because yeah, so level I was showing different. So level makes sense. Experience, not sure. I think hull point is kind of like on the scary part. I think an image will be better, but let's do HP here instead. Okay, so we have that. So I think showing the creature will be good. It was good. That worked, right? Now here, I think we came back here, but creature card didn't have a bind creature. Or here we didn't have an event. Oh, maybe that's here we missed the event. Yeah, I think that's what I was missing. Because yeah. So I have this. So I'm calling back that. And the creature picker. What was it again? Adventurer. Adventurer in it. So here I have Adventurer picker, it's parent player, fine. And select adventure. Where is my kind of like so event callback? What I'm missing? It was the error was what again? Oh, I closed it, right? Yeah, I closed it. It wasn't the card, I think, right? Creature card. I didn't have the event, but do I need one? I don't think I need one. So it was not in play, it was here. I need to put a breakpoint here. So definitely don't need that anymore. Ah, oh, we're close. Oh, I should put this after the parameter. Just for always keep the parameter first. Okay. I don't think I need navigation either. Parent creature change. Does that need to be implemented here? Here, parent creature. So inside this, the parent creature, yeah, then the parent creature change. So I'm binding it here. So what's wrong? Ah, it's right into my face and I don't see it. I hate that. Let's compare to like with the adventure stuff. So in the adventure in it, right? I say if I don't have an adventurer, show the adventurer picker. And it's this parent player. And if I go in adventurer picker, I do like, is it here? This parent player change. But in the, I feel like it, like something is missing there. So it was in the adventure in it. Where is it? Too far. Adventure in it. Here. There's no, yeah, parent player changes is not there. So here, oops, no. So here it's parent player, it's there just once. Selected adventure, it's there multiple times. So bind player should be good. So here, yeah, so what's missing? Here, again, add a creature, it's null, show the picker. That was working. When this trigger, boom, then show this. Here we should have creature. Oh, okay. So now let's go in creature card. Creature. Is it this? It needs to be capital. Bind creature. If we go in adventure card, it was capital P. So maybe I need to put the capital P. Or in combat, put bind with creature. Like this. Yeah, the music is a little bit more in it, but I feel like it's aggressive for a stream. Let's go back to where lo-fi chill music. Come on. Okay, so now I've okay. So that was what? Why it's player? Why I am? Where I am? Creature picker? Oh no. Okay, I'm in combat. Combat. I have a player. It's fine. Here, creature card. I have a creature. Okay, let's try again. Maybe it was just the capital C. Let's 5 this. Let's try to drop with some that little surprised cloud. Restore page. No restore. Load adventure. Cool. Let's do this one. Let's go combat screen. Let's go with the guard. So now it makes sense. I'm in level 1, so I only see level 1 in the database. There's only level 1. But we'll have to have some kind of like filter also. So let's go guard, breakpoint, selected creature. Cool, I see all this stuff. So it is like I was thinking. Like, so I'm passing the full ended. Wow, that's close to the center. 94 Grovosaurus. That's cool. So great. So that works. Now parent creature changed. Parent creature. So going up. Now fail because something. An error occur. Object creature card doesn't have a property matching the name creature changed. So I need to have that for the binding. Even if it's read-only. That's what I'm understanding. So it says that here I need the adventurer card, like I had the event callback. Oh yeah, maybe I need. Then callback creature. It's creature changed. Oh, it's creature lower. Let's see. Cool. And now in the combat here, or maybe it's in the picker. Yeah, in the picker, in the creature picker. Like here, maybe we need to put some kind of title or something like that. Maybe H2. Select a creature. Let's try again. Oops, I never stop it. Let's restart. Can I do that? Will it work? Oh, I need to land today. I didn't land. That's not fair. Doesn't look good. I landed. Combat screen. Yay! Yeah, I know. What a score. 13. Well, you know, it's not null. Okay, so guard. Can remove the breakpoint now. Yes. Yes. It's working. I think it's like this and like indeed. Okay. Stop. Okay, so we have this. It's working. We have a guard, we have Frank, and they will be able to fight. That was good. And that just, oh, sorry, nothing at this address. Yeah, no kidding. We removed it. So we should remove this. So it's home and load screen, say select, and in combat screen, and let's say artisan. We have artisan. Yeah, that's awesome. Image with an image would be cool. I think that would be a lot of work though. But that's cool. So we have that. And if I go other stuff and come back, yeah, it doesn't remember it. Should it? Maybe it should. Should it remember? Oh, we can fix it that later. I mean, yeah, if you need to save, like in the middle of a fight. But that's good. We have a little bit more information now. That's cool. So we'll have to change the look because we're not looking like this. So we want the name, the level, and HP, XP, shift, treasure. Right? That's what we want. That's what the card looks like. Let's change it quickly. Okay. Let's go VS Code. Let's go. We can close the picker. We can do this. And here instead, I would like to... I think there was like a fluent spacer. No. Fluent spacer. Or something like that. I saw that in the spacer, boom. Just put this for now, so at least they are not like stick together. Maybe create creature card we want also like black or something like that, like dark all the time. Though we have themes, so I'm not sure it's a good idea. Okay, so let's do this. I want to see the card. I can make it maybe smaller, 100, like this. Okay, so name. So that will be orientation. We're stacking vertically, and then we're stacking horizontally. Horizontally. That was so bad. Oh, okay. So horizontally, like this. Let's stop. Come on, stop. And then let's remove this to have a little bit more room. Voila. We can make it maybe a little bit smaller. Cool. So now I have this, so I can do like, come on. Tap. So here we want horizontal. Voila. And I'm guessing that will be horizontal gap. Let's do 0 for so far it's oh no, so like okay, so the label, so okay, so it's correct. So we want the name, and then we want the level. And yeah, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, voila. So on the first line we want the name and the level. On the second line we want the HP, so it's health point. Let's put just HP, something like this. Oh yeah, it should be between, better. So hit point, voila. And after that, it's X point. So we have it okay. And after that, it's shift. I think it's shift. I think it's shift. Shift point, voila. That will be just SH. That's cool. And after that, the treasure. Great. And after that, we want the interrupt. Oh yeah, we have multiple interrupt. Interrupt 1. Because I don't want to do any typos. And I think instead of like bold, I will have it like in like a different background, but for now, like just bold will be okay. And let's do interrupt 2 on, whoops, on the next line. So here, but we don't need this. It's interrupt 2. And after that, we have les manœuvres. So we'll be doing the same as here, but with manœuvre. So it's manœuvre like this. Capital M. And finally, we'll have description. I think it's description, yeah. So here, is there like a background or something? Typo, style. I will have to look. Okay, and now we'll have to have a stack. Yeah, we'll have that. We'll have to have. We'll have to have a stack. So yeah, like, do I want that? Yeah, I think I want that. So you know what? Let's wait for that one because I think they could be null. No, you always have like a prime and a, yeah. So this, now we have oh yeah, we'll have to adapt that though. But it's like this and then that, and it's creature miss attack roll, but we'll have to parse that. Yeah, so let's do this for now. It will be like a bunch of information and we'll parse it later. And here we'll remove that. Oh, and that was buddy. And that was also buddy. And here it's the prime something. No, was not prime. Attack roll then. Oh, are we missing that? In the creature shift L point. Yeah, I have that. Why was not visible? That's weird. Yeah, why it's not? Unclosed tag. What? So this. No. Probably just like a glitch. Let's reload just like that. No, still complaining about it. Unclosed tag. Matching tag. Shot label, fun stack. Oh. Found it. Found it. Okay, cool. So now we have some kind of like cool information. So yeah, let's run it. Nope. I don't know how to do F5. 5. F5 it. F5 it. Will it work? That's the question. I think it will. That will be a good day. So let's load the adventure. Let's select this adventure. Combat screen. Let's go with the guard. The tug. We didn't try the tug yet. Boom. That's not pretty. But is it matching what we expect it to be? So we have the name, then the level, then HP, XP, shift, treasure, none, interrupt. So we'll have to do like the parser for the stuff. But that's good. I mean, I like it. Maneuver, same thing. We'll have to do a parser for that. Oh yeah, and the image like should be here, but if we don't have one, that was good. That was good. I like it. What do you think? That was good, right? Did you think we'll achieve that today? Did you thought we were able to do it? So let's commit all those changes. Stop this. And we could go raid I don't know. Any suggestions? How should we? Whoa,
This one.
Whoa. Who should we go raiding? Okay. We did this. Stop this. What? Yeah. It's not pretty, but it's there. So it's definitely on the good way. Let's come back here. Oh, and by the way, did you notice now? If I change in the other corner, oh, like if can I vanish? Maybe here. Like we see the full screen now. Like they fixed it. They fix it. We see everything. So let's so yeah, we fixed Docker. Now we have a default profile. We definitely learned that. That was the good haha moment, at least for me. here. Oh yeah, we fixed the alignment, fine. We added creature, a class. Very ugly for now, but hey, it's working. Creature list. Oh, look, I need to understand. Do I need always that? Can I deserialize without this thing? What was that? 2d6. Oh yeah, we implemented the get creature. We have the definition in our interface. We created that combat screen. We oh, that's the page removed. Okay, fine. Yeah, because we renamed it. It's true. And we added a tab. Now, what's a tab? Oh, we should remove the call in the menu, I think. And that's our creature card, creature picker. So yeah, so I'll stage all of that. But before I forget, let's go back quickly here. And in the we spent so much time adding it in a previous stream, but navigation menu, yeah, we don't want anymore the combat. So, but I'll keep it just in case, but I think I prefer the tab. So let's go here. So we'll have one more file. Cool. So let's do creature cards working in combat screen. 12.5 file 12.5 12 files. That's good. Push. Excellent. So it's all there. It's all there, Cloudies. Yeah, so if you're interested, it's all open source, by the way, if you didn't know. It's about time I'm sharing that with you, right? Voila. Put it in the chat. That was cool. So today, the scores. I cannot type. Today, the winner is... Today, the winner is... So the lower score... I'm not the lowest score. Excellent. But the winner is... Grovosaurus. Bravo, Grovosaurus, leading the game today. And I was thinking, maybe we could do a raid to, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Andy Pilipi? He's building pretty cool OBS stuff. I think that could be very, very interesting. What do you think? I think we could do that. So I think we'll do that. So we'll do raid this. Tiny raid, so stay with me. Have a good weekend, and we'll jump on that other stream and have some fun over there. See you next week for another stream. I will get back trying to go and stream multiple times a week. Eventually we'll get there. See you soon. Bye-bye.